all, good morning. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So we have got another spicy dish for the day. Any guesses from any one of you? If you have a guess, just pause my video and put your feedback in the comment box, or put your choice in the comment box. Let's see who wins it. So today we have got a spicy dish which is from our Andhra style, which is nothing but our gongura pachadi. So this dish is a very spicy dish and it's all-time favorite for people in that region as well as in any part of the place. So this is actually eaten with cooked rice, hot cooked rice with a teaspoon of ghee. It is so spicy and yummy. As I tell you, it's so mouth-watering. So let's see how do we go about it. Let's walk into the kitchen. Friends, so today we are going to do gongura pachadi. It's a very spicy and a very nice dish which will be very yummy with our hot cooked rice with a teaspoon of ghee. So for that, first we need to do the spice powder ready. So I've just kept a pan, a non-stick pan with 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Please add gingerly oil, that will taste more good than our normal cooking oil. So with this I am adding red chilies around 7 to 8 numbers. You can add as per the taste. You can go up to 12 numbers also. I'm just adding 7 numbers. And for the 7 numbers is for the measurement of 1 bunch of gongura leaves. Ensure the oil is coated well for all the red chilies and ensure the color doesn't change to black also. So keep it in sim itself and eat it. So all the oil is well coated with our green chilies. At this stage I am adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, which is nothing but our dhania seeds. I've already measured and kept, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of that. It has to get popped well, so it has to get fried also well. At this stage, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black gram dal, which is nothing but our urud dal, and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, both together. Friends, the coriander seeds and our fenugreek seeds, it's fried well. You can find the texture of it. It's become a nice reddish color. At this stage, you have to add sesame seeds. You should not add it in the beginning. I have kept 1 tablespoon of the same, either black or white, whatever is available. This is just to give the taste and it's very good for the health as well. So once it's fried well, we need to off the stove and we have to do the other step as follows. Friends, so we have taken another kadai. I have put 4 tablespoons of gingerly oil. With this, I am going to add 7 to 8 garlic pods along with the skin. That will taste more good. So I am just adding it. Garlic is just for the taste. So the garlic is getting fried well. Ensure the color changes slightly orangish. At that is the stage we have to put the gongura leaves, which is washed and kept aside. The water is strained well and washed and kept. I am adding the gongura washed leaves. Allow the leaves to get cooked well. It will get cooked with that moisture itself, not to add any water. The quantity will be used and it will shrink to a very small quantity in few minutes. Friends, so we have put a bunch of gongura leaves. It is shrinked. In the same moisture itself it gets cooked. No need to add water, so it's shrink to this level. At this stage I am going to add a lemon size of tamarind by removing all the seeds in it. So I am adding this as well. So let it get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes and off the stove. We need to grind it. I'll tell you what is the next step. Friends, so the gongura leaves and tamarind is all cooked in the heat itself without mixing any water. So I'm offing the stove. Once it's cool, we need to grind it. It's cool now. We need to grind it coarsely. After that, we'll see what is the next step. Friends, we have to grind it in this consistency. It has to be coarsely powdered. So this is ready. Now next we need to grind the gongura. Now the gongura is cold. Now we need to grind it little coarsely. I'll tell you how to. We need to grind it with frequent intervals so that it doesn't get into a paste. We have to grind it at this stage. Now I am going to add 1 chopped onion into this. Just 1 interval, just on it and off it, and we have to season it. The gongura is almost ready. Now I am adding the required amount of rock salt. I've added the salt. At this stage, I'm adding the powder, whatever was grinded into it. We have added it. Mix it well. As said, just with one interval, you just need to grind it just for 1 minute and off the mixie. See friends, so the gongura is ready. So now at this stage, transfer it to a bowl. All is mixed in it. The dry spice powder, the garlic, the gongura leaves, everything is mixed. At this stage, you need to add the pearl onions, just raw pearl onions, just add into it. Just mix it well. Onions to get mixed well in this. At this stage, we need to season it with asafoetida and mustard seeds and pour it in this. Friends, so our kadai is ready. With 1 tablespoon of oil, I am adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, a very small pinch of asafoetida, so with this we need to pour this seasoned one in the gongura mix. With that, our gongura dish is ready for the day. It's ready, so we are just pouring it on the mixture. See friends, our gongura dish is ready. It's come out very well and spicy and yummy it looks. So please try for your loved ones. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another special recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Take care.